Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few winter special strawberry hacks and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. I'm really excited to try the first ice cream roll hack. Add 1 cup of strawberry, 1 cup milk and half cup of condensed milk into a blender. Now blend until there are no lumps. Then spread it on a large tray and let it set for few hours. In total, it took 6 hours to set. Now I'm cutting it into the size of my scraper. I'm trying to roll the ice cream but it's breaking. I don't know why. This ice cream is not looking creamy. It turned out icy and that's why it's not rolling out. Let's taste it now. The taste is amazing. Even the color is so pretty. I'm not sure if there was a problem in the ratio of the recipe or something else, but I really wanted this hack to work, so for me it is a 50-50. For the next hack, I have 6 strawberries. To that, add half teaspoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon caster sugar. Then crush it using a fork. Now microwave it for 5 minutes at 30 seconds interval. It looks very runny right now, but I'm going to let it cool down for 10 minutes because it is very hot. Wow, the consistency is exactly like their video. The taste is also amazing. It's sweet and tangy, which I personally like. This hack was a success. For the next hack, I'm adding 5 strawberries and 1 egg into a blender and blend it into smooth consistency. Add this mixture on a heated pan. Once you see the bubbles, you have to flip it. But as you can see, it's more like a scrambled egg rather than a pancake. Here I made an actual pancake to show how the strawberry pancake was supposed to look like. But let's try again with the remaining batter. Again, it's the same. The texture is super weird. So for me, this hack is totally busted. For the next hack, I'm going to cut a strawberry in half. Poke a toothpick through it so that it holds its shape. Now dip it into melted dark chocolate and place it on any rack so that it sets. It gets a bit messy but it's fun. Now I'm going to drizzle the glaze over it, which I made with 1 tablespoon milk and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. It does look like a heart and looks very cute. Let's taste it. It's a classic combination of chocolate and strawberry. You can never go wrong with it. This hack was undoubtedly a success. For the next hack, I'm going to place a strawberry on a skewer stick. Then dip it into melted chocolate. And again dip it into a batter. They didn't mention which batter, so I'm assuming it's pancake batter. And fry until it's golden brown. As you can see, the cover comes out in few minutes and it's not holding onto the strawberry and it turns soggy. I'm going to try it again. And now you can clearly see the cover coming out while frying. The oil is also spoiled completely. It reminds me of the fried milk hack. So do not try this hack, it's completely busted. For the next hack, I'm adding 1/4 cups of vinegar in 3/4 cup of water. Dip the strawberry in this mixture. Let it set for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove it, let it dry completely. Now you can store it in the refrigerator. After 6 days, the strawberry looks quite fresh. Of course, it's getting spoiled from some parts as it has a particular shelf life. But the hack is amazing. I will definitely use it in the future to store the strawberries. This hack was also successful. I saw this trend of TikTok on many YouTube videos where they add strawberry in water, add salt to it, mix, and a lot of tiny insects come out of the strawberries. Let's see if it's real. Also, I already washed the strawberries once and then I added it to the bowl. Still, you can see how much dirt came out of the strawberry. There's one insect which I don't know if it's visible on camera, but yes, the hack works and it's successful. Today's shout out goes to Sai Smita Das, Mohammad Akbar Ahmed, Rosalie Sumi, 4S Mania, and Ruby Singh, who is Anjali. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.